want to try them.
Yeah. Good, how are you?
Ready for it. If you want to go ahead and jump in the back seat. Get in the front here. All right. Vehicle, Jaguar iPace, 400 horsepower, 512 torque.
Wow. What is the starting price?
69.
69.
Yeah. Wow. And going up to roughly around 90 if you really trick them out. But they start with a real nice base model. All the motors and the batteries are the same no matter what trim level you get.
Oh. That's something. Oh my goodness. I wish I can drive like that. Ooh. Really?
Hooks up well, huh?
That's... oh. Oh.
Never gets old, does it?
I know.
That air suspension along with the electric motors is just so smooth, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't even feel it other than the turns.
All right.
It is great.
We're going to let you out here, guys.
Thank you very much.